Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you where the location of your air filter is on your Honda Pioneer QuickFlip 4. Start out by pulling the lever to raise the dump bed. And underneath the dump bed is this center cap. It's between where the feet of the two passengers in the back would be. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to grab a hold of the front of this cap and just pull straight out on it to break it loose and pop it off. And underneath there is the air filter box. We just have to flip these clips down around the outside. And then lift up on the lid. And the air filter is there underneath. And then when you're done doing whatever you have to do, just go ahead and put your lid back on. And snap down all of the clips. And then place your cover back on, starting from the back. And you're all done. That's it guys, thanks for watching.